Hey guys, I got a cooldown bars overlay working for dfscript, so I thought I'd make a little video and show you guys how it works and stuff. I kind of go through the whole install process. You can watch other videos if you need to figure that out. But I will tell you that it does download all these PNG files and a little WAV file, along with the functions.ahk and dfscript.ahk. One plus is that I switched to an internal configuration, so you don't have to mess with the old config file. It doesn't need that anymore. On to the overlay.
Welcome to Darkfall.
As you can see in the upper left hand corner, the overlay has popped up. It's all stacked on top of each other. What I'll do is I'll hit Control plus Shift plus C, and then I can go into GUI mode and move these guys around. This one's empty, so I'm just going to leave it. Then you can put these wherever you want to. I mean, they're clear, so you can even stagger them like this, so the bars will run in between each other, side by side, wherever you want. I'll just show you how the hell they work. I'm tired, by the way. So anyway, escape out of here, Control plus Shift plus C to get rid of it, and just start casting your spells. The instant cast spells work really good. Right at the moment, my cooldowns are cast time plus cooldown time combined into one. So the instant cast stuff is going to be fairly accurate. The only thing that isn't quite accurate is like the non-instant cast stuff. And if you just click it, that's fine. It's going to be fine. But it starts registering on the mouse up. So if you hold on to it, notice the cooldown still hasn't started, but it'll start when I let go of it. That's it. It's not a whole lot of code involved in that, but I was just busy doing other stuff, so that's on the side burner. I'll get in there and get that eventually, along with a few other things that I'm going to do before I finish this all the way. One of the nice things about this, I added some stuff for the left mouse button. So like, if you're using a non-instacast spell, like the one I just queued up there, if I try to cast it again, normally in Darkfall, in Holy Wars, when you do that, you would cast your mana missile. Well, I made it to where it's like Darkfall 1. Now it just disappears whenever I click it. So it's just like in Darkfall. When it goes away, you realize, well, obviously that doesn't work, so you can go to your next spell or do your standard swing or whatever you want to do. That's my favorite part. Anyway, that's it. I think that's it. Make sure you select your correct class down here. Otherwise, the cooldown timers will be wrong, and it'll obviously show a different spell and nothing will work right. So just select your correct class, and then this stuff here, set it up however you want, and then close it to reset it.
Welcome to Darkfall.
And the windows will remember where they were the last time. So you can rest assured that when you fire up the game again, it will still be there. We'll bunch these up like this just to give you an idea of what you might be able to do. Okay, the only bug that I know of right now, other than the fact that the cooldown timers are not perfect, is that if you hit a button that is normally like a hotkey in the game, but you don't have a spell in it, which how often do you actually do that? And I'll fix it eventually. It's side burner stuff because I don't ever hit a button that I don't have a spell in anyway. But what it'll do is it'll cast the last used side, whether it's the right side or left side, whichever was last used, and set up just a generic timer there. I'll fix that eventually. But I think that's it. Enjoy the overlay. Catch you guys later.